KCRL Media presents India's Olympic Champions. In which year India had participated for the first time in Olympic Games? 1900 in Paris. The first Asian-born athlete to win an Olympic medal representing India. Norman Pritchard. The first Indian Olympic team medal. Gold for hockey, 1928. The first Indian from independent India to win an individual Olympic medal. K.D. Jadhav, Helsinki in 1952. The first Indian hat-trick Olympic team gold medal holder at the Olympic Games. Dhyan Chand, 1928, 1932, 1936 in hockey. The first Indian to win an Olympic gold medal in the individual category. Abhinav Bindra, Beijing in 2008. The first Indian women medal winner in Olympics. Karnam Malleswari, Sydney in 2000. The first Indian boxer to get a medal in the Olympics. Vijender Singh, Beijing in 2008. The first Indian female boxer to win an Olympic medal. MC Mary Kom, London in 2012. The first Indian to win back-to-back individual Olympic medals. Sushil Kumar, Beijing in 2008, London in 2012. The first Indian to win a medal in badminton at the Olympic Games. Saina Nehwal, London 2012. The first ever Indian woman to win a silver medal at the Olympics. P.V. Sindhu, Rio de Janeiro 2016. The first Indian silver medal winner at the Olympics. Rajyavardhan Singh Rathore, Athens 2004. The first Indian tennis player to win an Olympic medal. Leander Paes, Atlanta 1996. The first Indian woman wrestler to win a medal in the Olympics. Sakshi Malik, Rio de Janeiro 2016. The year of the establishment of Indian Olympic Association. 1927. The first Indian woman to reach the final of an Olympic event. P.T. Usha, Los Angeles, 1984. The first Indian woman who entered in the semi-finals of Olympic Games. Shiny Wilson, Los Angeles, 1984. The first Indian and only tennis player to compete at 7 Olympic Games. Leander Paes. The first Malayali who win an Olympic medal. Manuel Frederick, Munich, 1972 in hockey. The first Malayali Olympian. C.K. Lakshmanan, Paris, 1924. Thank you so much and thank you for watching.